We have one thumbs up. Two thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
Pattern for this qual is purple, purple, green. I want you to watch the purple robot from Norwalk. Their indexing mechanism is a little classification is very unique. They pick up artifacts and their turret moves linearly, coming in and firing at 3 different positions along a track. Very interesting. Gate cleared and moved. FTC Michiana on the other hand, very interesting intake and shooting from the turrets. 30700, the other red robot, competing as well. Blue Alliance slightly ahead as the pilots go in.
3, 2, 1.
I just noticed that Norwalk's robot has short round on it, if you remember, from the Indiana Jones movies. How appropriate for this category. All right, Girlbots lining up to shoot at blue from a little bit of a distance. They're taking up one more purple artifact to get their intake good and full. Looking for a good angle from their limelight and shooting a little far. Should they get one more shot off? Yes, they do. Whoop, that one bounced off the goal. They reorient and they come in and they try again, but they seem to have an artifact sort of jammed that just freed itself into the shooting position. That is long again too. Contact. Oh, no, that was not contact. Call on red for controlling 4 artifacts. 12783. Norwalk continues to collect artifacts, position them with good accuracy, shoot them at a good pace. They are keeping red in the game. 157, blue leading to about 130. FTC Michiana being a lean green-blue scoring machine. Doing very well clearing their gates, bringing artifacts in, loading up, shooting at a blistering rapid pace here. Nicely done on that. Contact in the loading zone on blue. That was red's loading zone. So the referees waving their wands to indicate contact there. Girlbots coming up for another shot here. Their limelight is zoned up, but they're going to go collect some more artifacts. They are clearing the blue classifier. FTC Michiana coming in, picking up. That was contact close to the red base zone as we come up to 20 seconds. Red is up. Scores 30700 getting on the board there. 7 Cs helping their alliance along. We're down to 4 seconds though. It's parking time. 2 red robots in place. 2 blue robots in place. Girlbot.
It's the Blue Alliance with the victory. With a score of 234 to 206, it was fairly close, but Blue Alliance will walk away with 4 ranking points and stability for 16010 at number 5.